Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace the caster on a seat matters chair, we will need a 17mm spanner and a wheel spanner, which is available from us here at Seat Matters. First, we need to remove the cover for the nut. Using the spanner and the wheel spanner, we then loosen the caster. Once you've got the nut off, the caster just slides out. To put on a new caster, we feed it through the hole and tighten the nut down as much as we can. Once we have that fully tight, pop the nut cover back on, and that's it done. To replace the directional lock caster on a Seat Matters chair, it's slightly different than the rest of the casters. For this, we will need an 8mm Allen key and a 17mm spanner. First, we remove the cover. The Allen key then slides up in underneath. Once the Allen key's in, the spanner goes on, and we can just loosen the caster up. Once we have the nut off, the caster will just slide out. To put on the new caster, we just feed the bolt back through the hole in the frame and retighten the nut. Once we have that tightened up fully, we can just put the nut cover back on, and that's it complete.